Just like a software engineer goes and codes something out. Let me go ahead and show you this image right here. Make it easier to explain. So just like a software engineer can go and write some code, and let's say we look at this code and we're going, there, it looks like he's trying to do some sort of summarize some sort of report, and the output's going to be some sort of percentage of occupancy rate or something like that. So that's how a software programmer would give instructions to software. And here, when we're talking to AI, this is how we prompt. We use language. So this sentence right here is the same as that code, except this is for large language models. So now do you see why I say language is code?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
yes.
Language is code when we're talking to AI. And it's all about communication.